Y'all got that good fragrance.
Yeah, you know how we doing it. Just the beginning, ice water. You know what I mean?
That's right.
We got CNN coming on the second leg.
Okay. And CNN gonna be on the other leg.
They're gonna be on the other leg and shit.
That's a bet. Hey man, look, we just want y'all to check that set out when we get out to the West Coast too, man. The boys been tearing shit up, man. In these other cities, man. You know what I'm saying?
We gonna come early. That's why cause the
I know the smaller cities, I know.
Yeah, but it's just the beginning. We're just like kind of tight, you know what I mean? We just came back from Australia, so we didn't really have the whole shit. You know what I mean? It's like one day we back on the road, so we just getting it together now. But we've been hearing, so you know what I mean? You know that's what it is.
As long as I be keeping our ears to the street, man. I got you, baby. I got you.
We gonna get it in.
You know what I'm saying? Say your name again for me. KT, man. All right. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? These my little brothers, so you know what I'm saying? All right. You know what I'm saying?
Producer for Likeblood.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get over here too. Mr. Ray, what's up, sir? How you feel, champ? All right. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying?
Give us a good drop,
You know what it is, Likeblood. Shit, we out here on the road getting it in. You know what I'm saying? Bringing that real hip hop to the forefront. You know what it is. I only fuck with G's. I'm a G. I'm a project G. You know.
That's right. That's right.
Platinum in the street, nigga. That's the first thing.
That's right. That's right.
But I got a lot of support right here for these brothers. You know, I want them to come up and do their job, do their thing. I believe in them. You know, bars is right around the corner. When it's time for that to take place, we gonna get it in.
That's right.
Y'all niggas get out there and get that work. You know what I mean? It's all about work too.
That's right.
You know what I mean? If a nigga ain't ready to work, go home. If you ready to work, get that bed thick. You know.
That's season, man.
That's right.
This nigga, man, he really, man, gave us this opportunity, man. We really gonna take that shit to 120, man. You know what I'm saying? Giving us this opportunity.
I told him I was tired, man. I said, remember that mic came. Whenever that mic come on, I get a second win. Don't never get tired, man. That mic come on, Slim.
Hey look, and we don't get the bill with too many niggas we done got raised off of, man. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's real shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
All I can say is I'm a messenger, B. You know what I mean? I speak for every real nigga in the street. You know what I mean? In the same way y'all look up to me as I looked up to niggas that did it before me too.
And you passing the torch, man.
So this is how I go, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Whatever I can do, that's how I want to be the Likeblood. I want to be like a custom model to niggas. Anything that I can say that's a bracelet that I can pass to niggas and say, yo, hold that.
Hold that. Run with that.
He fronting us and we gonna bring that shit back, nigga. What, nigga? We gonna break it down, nigga, and triple it, nigga. Triple it, bring them back double and motherfucker keep the the other one. You know what I'm talking about?
I'ma say this, man. Since we met Ray Howard homecoming, man, this nigga did everything he said he was gonna do, you know.
Right.
Just off the showing niggas love off the quick Twitter drink, you know what I'm saying, to us being on tour, so real niggas do what they say they gonna do.
That's right.
And then real niggas show up.
Only built for Cuban links too, man. Just getting started, Bmore, man.